I want to show you my new swimsuit here. Again, the black one, guys. Another black one. Yeah. Guys, yung
Wow.
aking likuran. I really love it. Back. Pesos siya, guys. I really love it. And my fashion siya. I really love black one, guys. That's why I am Ayan. So, this is my swim set sa tayo. Guys, back. That's it for today.
Oh
Guys, I want to show you my
Wow.
bikinis. And guys, the color. I really love it. And guys, pag napakyan siya, guys. 3 pieces to siya, guys. Ang ganda. Ayan. Ang next natin is color. Color black siya, guys. Ayan, oh. I really love it. Pag napakyan. I love it. The black one, guys. Look so very nice. I love it. Pag, ayun yung ating likod. Guys, medyo na-check na yung ating likod, guys. Ayan, konting exercise na lang. Ayan po, I really love it. Ayan. Pag napag yan.
Oh
I love it. The next, guys, is color blue. Look, guys, the color blue. I really love it. Ayan, guys. Pag napag yan. Pag napag yan, guys. Ayan. Pag napag guys, for only 240 pesos. Ayan, I really love it. So, this is my bikinis, guys. I really love it. Look, guys, I wanna show you this. A new bikini, guys. Ayan, I wanna fit this. Ayan, the violet color. Let's go. So this is it, guys. Ayan, the violet color. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya, guys, yung kanyang likuran. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack. Ayan po. I love it.